Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be cleaning the mass airflow sensor on this Honda Jazz. This is 2008 model 1.4 petrol engine Honda Jazz. The reason why we're going to clean the mass airflow sensor is that the engine is running rough. So basically we are seeing the rough idling, as well as there's hesitation when you put your foot down on the accelerator. So the suspect, after doing all the investigation and everything, we found out that is the mass airflow sensor. So the mass airflow sensor location is just here, okay, and it's secured by one Phillips screw at the top here. So we're gonna remove the screw and then we're gonna pull out the mass airflow sensor so that we can clean it. Just gonna pull it out of the slot. It's full of oil. So the product we're gonna use is WD-40 electrical contact cleaner spray. The reason why we are using this is that this is the specially formulated product for this purpose. You cannot apply brake cleaner or any other harsh chemical on these sensors. They are very sensitive to the chemicals. So basically the best product is the electrical contact cleaner for these sensors. Okay, so I'm just gonna spray a little bit more on it. Yeah, perfect. So we're gonna leave it to dry for a couple of seconds and then we're gonna insert it back in. Okay, so now we are ready to fit the mass airflow sensor back into the slot. So that goes onto the inlet manifold after the throttle body on these models. Well, there we go friends, job done. I hope you find my videos helpful. Thank you very much for watching the video.